Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Ardelyx ARDX pre-PDUFA summary for the 25th of September, in which we're going to be looking at the bullish and the bearish parts of the PDUFA coming up. So I generally do games, I do small cap pharma. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe, and thank you. So disclaimers, I do own stocks and options in Ardelyx. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence. And any information given is valid for today, the 25th of September, and the slideshow will not be updated. As we get new news, we'll get new slideshows. So, on my investment thesis. So, the PDUFA is coming up on the 17th of October, 2023. The AdCom did vote 9-4 for monotherapy and 10-2 for combination therapy. The drug is already approved for another indication, and sales for their IBS drug, tenanipor, have been increasing about 15 to 16% from the last quarter. And we today just got approval from Japan, which gives us an additional 35 million, which will break down what that is. So the PDUFA, so the biggest issue I could see at the moment is the government shutdown. That I think is the biggest thing standing in our chance, and that is more of a delay. Other than that, I do see a 95% chance of approval on the 17th. And that 5% is just something that is from the field that we just do not see. So the AdCom definitely was very positive, as we've mentioned before, and the drug is already on the market, so that takes out a lot of the manufacturing issues. So overall, I think this is going to be pretty positive. So we're going to actually look at the IBS Script update. So they made 18.3 million from Ibreza in the second quarter. And so I do expect the third quarter to be around 20 to 23 million. And I do have script averages at the bottom. I'll tell you how I got to that. It looks like we have a 15 to 16% increase in scripts so far this year. They believe the total share range for sales will be 72 to 77 million. And they believe the drug can actually produce 500 million or more in peak sales. I am still unsure if they can hit those numbers, but definitely for 2024, over 100 million seems like a very simple way to go. And how I got my numbers and my averages. So pretty much I took all the scripts that we've gotten in quarter 3, divided by the 11 weeks that we have, and have gotten an average of 1,535 scripts. I took all the scripts that we had in quarter 2, which is about 1,876, divided by 13, got about a little under 1,300 scripts. So that is where I'm basing my numbers off of for today. So other stuff, so the cash was 127 million for quarter 2, 2023. They did get 35 million from approval in Japan. That happened today. 30 million of that was from KKC, and 5 million was from Healthcare Royalty Partners. Plus, they have the NDA accepted in China, so we're going to get money from Folsom for Chinese approval. Not sure how much. Plus, a $22.5 million loan if approved in the US. And this means that the company has plenty of money for a successful launch. They do expect to launch in the fourth quarter. So the conclusion of this is a government shutdown poses the largest risk to the company at the moment. So option holders are probably in a little bit more danger than stockholders. If this issue is solved, let the run-up begin. Currently, the stock has definitely been range-bound in the last few months between 3 and 5. I would expect it to break out of that range very simply. And if they do get all the government stuff taken care of, this might be more of a sell the news event. And I say that because obviously looking at it, we have a great AdCom. The drug's already on the market. There's really not a lot that's going to go wrong. Like I said, I think the chance of approval are probably 95%, and I am probably shortchanging myself on that. So again, I think we might see it go to 5 or 6, and then when approval comes, it might drop. Just so you're aware. But overall, the stock is fairly healthy, and with the new indications and new money coming in, I think the company is still very cheap to buy at the moment. And so, yeah, I mean, looking at the information we have, it looks pretty solid. So, obviously, right now, the stock market itself is a little bit shaky, but that's something else that we don't have control over. So, but I hope this helped. I hope it gave you some new information. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.